Hey, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making stuffed smoked mushrooms. So very similar to what I've done in the past with some of the other recipes I've had with, say, the jalapeno poppers and stuff. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the cap and the stem, and I'm going to separate them. We'll discard the stem, and then we'll save the caps to stuff. These are all pretty good sized ones here. Now that I have everything separated, we're going to take a block of cream cheese. Actually, about a half a block of cream cheese. It's softened cream cheese. Doesn't matter what brand you like. We're using just a regular Kroger brand today. So we're going to separate this out and take half of the softened cream cheese. We're going to cut it in half here and put it into our bowl. Save the rest of that for a later date. To that, we're going to add a little bit of mozzarella cheese, and we're going to add some seasoning. While we're doing all this, we're browning our sausage behind us. So we have some hot pork sausage that I like to do, and it gives a nice little texture in the mix here. Now that that's done, take it off here. We'll add it to our cheese mixture here. It just smells great. Okay, from there, we'll mix in our sausage and our cream cheese. Okay. Now that we have this all done, we're going to take our mixture and our mushrooms, put all this together. That look beautiful. And we just stuff this cap, so you push it down in there nice and tight. There we go. Now they're all nice and full. Okay. Hey everyone. Okay, we're out here on the grill now. We got the stuffed mushrooms that we prepared inside the house there. Really nice big Bella mushrooms, baby Bella mushrooms. So what we're gonna do, got the grill about 275 degrees or so. We're gonna put them on here and get them smoking. So. One of the things I like to do is I will put them underneath these jalapeno poppers if we're doing them at the same time, and let that bacon grease, as it renders down, just drip on top of these mushrooms, kind of give it a little bit extra flavor. Just put these under here like this. Okay, so like I said, 275 degrees, about 30 minutes or so. We'll come back and check them out. This should be amazing. Can't wait. All right, we are all set with the mushrooms. I've been on here about 35 minutes now, and good to go. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, look at those. Absolutely perfect. Doesn't get much better than that. Let's go eat. All right, welcome back. Got the mushrooms off the grill. These things absolutely smell amazing. Let's just let's try one of them out. What do you say? Oh yeah. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Smell beautiful. Mmm. You got a little bit of the taste of sausage, a little bit of smoke to it. Creamy. Perfect. Hope you like this recipe. Hope you try it out. And if it's something you like, please make sure you hit the like button and hit the subscribe button as well while you're at it. Thanks again for watching. Bon appetit.